The impacts that we have on our clients and in our daily work has just been numerous. Utilizing some of our technology that we have for assessing leads and lead quality. I remember one time we were working with a client that manufactures chillers for all sorts of different applications. And so this was a handful of years ago, but we started noticing different breweries coming in and asking for chillers. And so we were able to take those patterns and present them to our client and talk about the growing craft beer market. And they were like, well, our chillers are a great use case for those. And so because of that, we were able to develop some content, add an application to industry to talk about their experience and product set for the craft beer and craft brewery application. And then over that, we saw a dramatic increase in all these small to medium-sized microbreweries starting to come in, ask for chillers and ordering equipment. And so overnight, just noticing a couple of individuals coming in from a certain industry sector, validating that pattern and responding to it, now you look back and they're driving substantial inquiries every single quarter for microbreweries and have been for years simply because of that insight and that conversation, right? So whole new revenue streams, whole new diversification of the business into new and emerging industries simply by listening to patterns and coming up with a game plan. And those are some of the most exciting things to do with our clients, because you take what's a nugget of an idea, start to validate it, you build a lot of energy and a lot of excitement, and then when you start to see it actually come through and see more and more response, that's when we're having the most fun.